Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an extensive look at the 2025 Kenworth W1260 double-story motorhome. A true masterpiece that raises the bar in luxury and innovation for road travel. Combining Kenworth's renowned engineering with lavish living space and cutting-edge technology, this double-decker motorhome is designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort or performance. Let's explore every detail that makes the W1260 a standout on the road. Starting with the exterior, the W1260 commands attention with its bold and aerodynamic design. The iconic Kenworth grille is larger and more imposing than ever, complemented by sleek LED headlights and smooth body lines that reduce drag for improved fuel efficiency. The double-story layout doesn't just add height. It transforms the entire concept of motorhome living by offering twice the interior space without losing road handling or stability. Moving inside, the W1260 welcomes you with a thoughtfully designed interior that feels both spacious and inviting. The main floor features a large living area with plush, reclining seats and expansive windows that flood the space with natural light, making it the perfect spot to relax after a long day. On the road, the kitchen is compact but fully loaded, complete with a high-end refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and ample cabinetry. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, you'll have all the tools you need. The dining area seats 4 comfortably, ideal for family meals or hosting friends. What's truly impressive is how the design maximizes space without sacrificing comfort. Every inch is optimized for functionality. Upstairs, the master suite is a sanctuary. It features a king-size bed with premium memory foam mattress, built-in wardrobes and large panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views no matter where you park. The ceiling height upstairs provides a surprisingly open feel, which is rare for a double-story vehicle. Technology plays a huge role in the W1260's appeal. The driver's cockpit is fitted with the latest safety and convenience features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation systems, and a customizable 12-inch touchscreen that controls navigation, entertainment, and diagnostics. Voice command integration and smartphone connectivity make operating the vehicle effortless. Additionally, the motorhome is equipped with smart home features that allow you to control lighting, climate, and security from your phone or via voice assistant. Imagine adjusting the temperature or dimming the lights from anywhere inside or even remotely. True modern luxury. Under the hood, the Kenworth W1260 boasts a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and a torque output that handles heavy loads with ease. This engine ensures smooth acceleration, strong hill climbing, and excellent fuel economy for a motorhome of this size. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, reducing road vibrations and providing a stable ride whether you're on highways or rugged terrain. Storage space is exceptional. There are large, weatherproof exterior compartments for bulky gear, interior closets for clothes and supplies, and clever underbed storage for extra essentials. This motorhome is designed to keep your living space uncluttered and organized, no matter how long your journey. Outside, the W1260 offers lifestyle-enhancing features like a power-operated awning that creates a shaded outdoor lounge area, complete with weatherproof speakers and an outdoor entertainment system. Whether you're parked at a campground or a tailgate, you can enjoy your own private oasis. So, who should consider the 2025 Kenworth W1260 double-story? This motorhome is perfect for those who want the luxury of a spacious, well-appointed home. Combined with the freedom of the open road, it's ideal for full-time RVers families needing extra space, or anyone wanting the very best in comfort, technology, and power. The price reflects its premium status, but the features and build quality justify the investment for those serious about their motorhome lifestyle. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 2025 Kenworth W1260 double-story motorhome. If you enjoyed this review, please hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth vehicle reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this double-decker luxury motorhome on your next adventure? Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.